is released like integer model. This model demonstrates various stages of the signal filtering and biological treatment, focusing how components are removed to ensure clean water. It emphasizes the importance of sustainable water management and environmental protection in preserving our national resources. Thank you. Tell you a story about how scientists study earthquakes through something called seismography. It's like the Earth's way of talking to us. When the ground shakes, it sends out ripples called seismic waves, just like how water ripples when you toss a stone into a pond. Then this is next. Scientists use special tools called seismometer to listen to these waves. A seismometer is like the Earth's stethoscope. It has a mass hanging on a spring. When the ground shakes, the mass stays still while the base moves, and this motion gets recorded on a graph called seismograph. Earthquakes produce three main types of waves. P waves means primary waves. These are the fastest and can travel through solids and liquids. S waves mean secondary waves. These travel slower than P waves. These travel only through solids. Surface waves, these travel along the Earth's surface and cause most of the damage. By studying these waves, scientists can figure out magnitude, how strong the earthquake was in epicenter, the spot on the surface directly above where it started. Seismography is super important. It helps us learn about the Earth's layers, predict earthquake-prone areas, and design buildings that can handle shaking. And it's also used to find underground resources like oil and gas. So thanks to seismography, we are able to understand earthquakes and we are able to understand Earth and stay safer during earthquakes.